This is Jason from Build Game. Learn to code through game dev. Parallax scroll in game closure, part 10. So we left off filling out the reset views method. And it worked. We got one image on the screen, but we want to change this method so that we can get many images. So we'll put a for loop in here, and we'll be able to achieve that. So we're going to change a few things here. While I is less than image multiply, then we're going to increment this loop, and we're going to throw these variables inside of the loop, and we're going to throw all these things inside of the loop. So once we have those in there, we want the local x to be more than my width. We want my width to increment and multiply by I for every time that it loops through, and that way it will push the images across the screen like I had said, 256, 512, and so on. So you can see right here that's what's happened. So let's see. Now we're going to talk about how we will move these images. So these images are children of this big image, the view pool, and we're going to animate the view pool by 256, which is the width of these individual images. And as we move it across, they'll go off the screen. And as that goes off, as one of them goes off the screen, we're going to just go ahead and set the position to the back, and it will continue to loop like that until a certain time at which we will reset the view. So let's make this the animate function, and for that all we're going to need is the view itself that we're going to animate, the speed, the width, and the offset. So to animate, we just call the method animate, and we'll do a dot clear first, which clears all the animation that might be on there, and then we'll do a dot then, and in here we'll just put the coordinate that we want to go to, and we're only going to care about x, and we're going to go negative scroll x. So in this case, we're just going to test and see if we can make the view move the image width to the left in negative x, and then we will have achieved what we wanted for this part. And I forgot to actually call the function hit so that it will actually animate. And animate the parent, which is this, and then this my speed, this my width, and this my offset. Oh, it looks like I didn't define my offset, so I'll just set it to 0. That'll be fine. Reload it, and that happened really quickly, but it did work.